the newest Trenchtown rap. Put your hands together, comrades. For the party leader, the chairman of South St. Andrew, member of parliament for South St. Andrew, and the Prime Minister of Jamaica, comrade Jefferson Holding.
In a dancer style, I know everybody still me irie. Cause we not love life. Every song we know, every time I write, we need for the love, we not need for the life. See for the love, we not need for the life. See for the love, we not need for the life. See for the love, we not need for the life. Success don't come overnight. You know a substance over I believe for the love, we not need for the life.
Comrade Chairman, comrades on the platform, special mention to our guest speaker, Comrade Lisa Hanna, and our General Secretary, Comrade Dayton Campbell. Minority Caucus leader still with us, Comrade Andrew Swaby, and all who are with us here, not very many because we're adhering to the protocols and doing the distancing, but those who are online watching us, big up and enough respect. Comrades, I want to just ask you please to give Comrade Lisa Hanna another round of applause. Let me tell you, unity is strength. And unity is not something we even need to talk about. We just need to do what we have to do. We just need to do what we have to do. We walk the walk together. And I know Comrade Lisa Hanna have my back. Me and her have been working together for years. We have been friends from even before politics. And Comrade Lisa Hanna, respect you. Thank you for coming again. And thank you for showing your commitment to the People's National Party here in South St. Andrew again. Let the world see and know that we are truly powerful and we are truly one. Comrades, I won't talk for long because, as you know, time is against us. But we are meeting at a time when Jamaica is going through the most dire crisis. And the people of this country are suffering, they are frustrated, and they are getting angry. And they want to see the People's National Party show itself as ready, fit, and raring to go to move the country forward when we come back into government. Comrades, as has been said, essentially what we have to do is to show those persons who have voted for us in the past, and not long ago either, in recent times, that we are worthy of their support once again. And comrades, we have been working to do things in the party that will set the party on a better footing going forward. We now have the OT Faircraft Trust Fund, showing our party workers some love, those who need real help. We've set up the Junior Shadow Cabinet, and we're encouraging them to be out there more and more. And comrades, we have a team, and we're moving forward as a team. When you look at the situation with this corona, comrades, it really is a disgrace. It's sickening. On the 9th of September, we had a blitz in South St. Andrew, vaccination blitz. Over 500 of our people came out and got vaccinated. Most of them got the Pfizer vaccine because the government's policy at the time was to use the Pfizer vaccine for children of 12 and up and adults who came to get vaccinated. They were given dates for their second vaccine of the 30th of September. And our understanding was that we would have had another blitz on the 30th of September so they could get their second doses. only to be told that no provision had been made for that. And there's no more Pfizer. And comrades, imagine how angry I felt when I hear this week that Pfizer is being distributed and vaccinated in Thompson Town and other JLP-controlled divisions. That is not the way a vaccination program is supposed to operate. That is bringing politics into this thing. I have been calling from day one for a united approach to this thing. We need all hands on deck. This is a global crisis. Jamaica is facing its wrath here on our shores. It cannot be something that we play politics with, because that is just going to alienate people, and that is going to mean that we do not reach the goals collectively that we need to reach. Comrades, it is really a disgrace. Now, the truth of the matter is, my position at this time is consistent. I encourage every adult, and indeed every child over 12, to get vaccinated. It will protect you from getting very sick if you get this disease. That is its main purpose. And it will protect the health system from being overwhelmed by too